Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the Lifecard 22 made by Trailblazer Firearms. When I went to SHOT, people said, bring back something different. Show us something unique. We're tired of the polymer frame, striker fire 9mm. We want to see something innovative. Well, I met up with these guys at Trailblazer, and they showed me the Lifecard 22. Now, the dimensions of this are that of a credit card. Extremely small and a 1/2 inch thick. So it's very small. I've been carrying it for a week now, and it just floats in the pocket. You don't even know it's there. Here's how it works. It has 2 levers. The first lever here releases the grip from the barrel. 2.5 inch barrel. And this lever pops open the barrel. You add a 22 long rifle in there. And then it has this gate right here that stores 4 rounds of 22. So you're carrying around ammo with you. Already showed unloaded. At this point, you pull the striker back and you have a single action trigger pull. It's actually quite accurate. I'm going to show you some range footage shortly. But to put it back into rest position, you reset the trigger, hit that back, and you are ready to go. It locks up, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose on you. And it is extremely light. Let's go ahead and show that right now. Without any rounds in that storage area, it weighs at 6 3/4 ounces. With those, we're at 7 1/8. You put another round in there, and you're at 7 1/4 ounces. Now, just to give a comparison, here's my phone. All right, the holster that I use, carry it all the time. 8.5 ounces. So it's actually lighter than your phone and the case or the holster that you use. It comes in this case right here, Trailblazer Firearms, and they give you, the instruction manual and a lock, a spent case, and then the gun itself goes in there. But I think it's cool, guys. I took it to the range. I really enjoyed it. I think that this is innovative. It's not your battle gun. It's not the gun you want to get into a gunfight with, but it can be stored anywhere, which is very valuable for CCW. I mean, anywhere. It is so light and small. Let me go ahead and roll in some range footage, and we'll come back and talk more about it. All right, let's see if I can hit that top target from about 9 yards away. Yep. All right, here I am 12 yards away. I'm going to try to hit that top target with the Lifecard. And I hit it. Now let's see how fast I can get this out of my front pocket and a shot off. Not sure what to expect here. All right. It's a cool little backup to your backup. It is what it is. It's a credit card size little pocket gun, 6 3/4 ounces. That's it. That's how much it weighs. All right, so just to make sure that wasn't a fluke, I'm gonna hit that bottom target from 12 yards away. Lifecard 22. I think I tagged it. I don't know. I've got my muffs in. I thought I heard a ping. I did enjoy the Lifecard 22 at the range. It was more accurate than I thought it would be. Some people are asking, well, what would you actually use that for? Well, you would use it anytime you wanted to use a firearm, especially, in my opinion, a backup to a backup, because it's just so easy to carry. If you're one of those guys who believe 2 is 1, 1 is none, then this would actually make 3, which is cool. Now, this could be used for defensive purposes. There's no question. You saw me hit a circular target from 12 yards. It's not the fastest, but it's not the slowest either. You can just boom, boom. It's got a nice, strong strike, not one failure at all. And I do think that it serves its purpose, and a very good purpose, because it's so light and easy to store. MSRP is $3.99. I'm told these are flying off of the shelves. I'll put a link to their website down below. You can check it out if you want. I have to say, so far, I am impressed, and I love the innovation, and I am enjoying this Lifecard 22. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.